We have all had them. And when we've had them, we have likely thought about the days we did not have them and how we took those days for granted. No, I am not talking about in-laws, although there are many who this would apply to. I am talking about sore throats. Those nuisances that come out of nowhere with no warning and can be quite difficult to get rid of. Step 1. Peppermint Tea. Peppermint is one of many herbal teas you can use for sore throats. This peppermint herb has antimicrobial properties, which means it can help fight off bacteria and viruses. This makes it an herbal tea that is good for sore throats caused by viral infections and bacterial infections. Peppermint also has menthol, which can help cool inflammation. As an anti-inflammatory agent, peppermint helps reduce the swelling that often accompanies sore throats. Step 2. Licorice root. People in Europe and China have traditionally used licorice root, or Glycyrrhiza glabra, as a natural sore throat remedy. Active components in this herb work by boosting the levels of the interferon, a chemical that plays a role in strengthening the immune system. Step 3. Honey. This sore throat remedy has been in rotation since ancient times and with good reason. Adding bees' honey to warm water or tea is considered a steadfast treatment for a scratchy throat. Even better, you probably already have a jar kicking around in your kitchen. So dig out that squeezy bear bottle and add a dollop to your mug, as science supports the use of this throat coat. Step 4. The combo of cinnamon and ginger. A combo made with cinnamon and ginger for the medicinal purpose has a long history of use. Because of its powerful healing effect, some old Chinese herbal doctors suggest it as a powerful natural sore throat relief. Both cinnamon and ginger root has antibacterial and soothing properties, powerful things you need to get rid of a sore throat and its related infections. Step 5. Drink hot beverages. Hot beverages like clear soups, broths, and herbal teas can all soothe the throat. Add some garlic, cayenne pepper and turmeric to your soups and broths. These act as natural antiseptics and antibiotics and help eliminate germs. Many of these ingredients are also rich in antioxidants to fight pain and inflammation. We will shortly discuss more best tea for a sore throat and ingredients to look for. Warm water with honey and lemon juice is also a great option. Step 6. Turmeric tea. A powerhouse of antioxidants makes turmeric an essential home remedy for common cold. Blessed with many vitamins, minerals, protein, and fiber, turmeric is known to have antibacterial, antifungal, and antiseptic properties, making it a perfect choice for a painful throat. Turmeric powder can be added to milk and consumed directly. Alternatively, it can be simmered in boiling water, strained, and consumed with honey. Turmeric tea before bed aids in improving your sleep quality. Step 7. Ginger tea. Ginger is a good herb tea for sore throats because of its anti-inflammatory properties. It kills bacteria, flushes out toxins, and boosts circulation. Because a cup of tea made from ginger plant roots leaves a pungent taste in the mouth, it activates the release of secretions that help clear the throat. Step 8. Gargling. Rinsing your mouth on the regular with salt and baking soda mixture, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 teaspoon salt mixed in 1 quart water, will help prevent infections and help your throat feel better. Or you can gargle with salt water multiple times a day. Try a mixture of 1/2 teaspoon and 1 cup warm water. Step 9. Clove Tea. In the distant past, dentists used this herb as an anesthetic to reduce pain from toothaches. The substance that gave them this anesthetic ability is called eugenol. Eugenol also makes clove tea good for sore throats. It acts as a painkiller, so it is a great natural way to find some relief. Cloves are also antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory by nature. They assist on eliminating many forms of infection by attacking the source, removing toxins from the body. Step 10. Green Tea. Green tea helps to boost the immunity along with minimizing pain and sore throats as it is packed with catechins and antioxidants. Adding lemon to your green tea will give an extra source of vitamin C to help cure your common cold.